Booklet B, question 29. At first, there were 16 more students in Team P than Team Q. 28 students from Team P then joined Team Q. After that, there were 5 times as many students in Team Q as in Team P. How many students were there in Team Q at first? Let's try to highlight and notate some keywords. Okay, so at first there were 16 more students in Team P than Team Q. And then we have 28 students from Team P joining Team Q. And because of that, there were 5 times as many students in Team Q as in Team P. 5 times meaning Team Q in the end will have 5 units and Team P in the end will be 1 unit. So how many students were there in Team Q at first? Right, let's try to draw a model to solve this question. So at first we have Team P longer than Team Q. Okay, so this Team P and this Team Q, and there's a difference of 16. Okay, and after that, 28 students from Team P join Team Q. So how to get 28? So there's 16 here. Okay, so I'll need maybe another 12 to make 28. So I need another 12 from here. Okay, so this 16 will join Team Q. And this 12 will join Team Q. And because of this, you find that in the end, Team P is actually, Team P is left with 1 unit. So in the end here, Team P is left with 1 unit. Okay, let's try to draw the same for Team Q. So also this is also 1 unit, same size. Okay, but Team Q in the end, you find that they are left with 5 units. So if there's 1 unit here, in other words, from here to here, this will be 4 units. Okay, and you can see there's a missing number in this model here. What is this number? Right, you find that this number is actually the same as this number. So this is 12. Right, in other words, 4 units is equals to 12 plus 16 plus 12. That gives you a total of 40. Okay, in other words, 1 unit will be 40 divided by 4 gives you 10. So how many students were in Team Q at first? So you go to Team Q. So we have, so Team Q is made up of 1 unit and 12 at first. So Team Q has 10 plus 12. So a total of 22 students at first.